Okay, well, good morning everyone. So I've officially moved. I'm in my new apartment right now. So this apartment is a bit older, but it's a lot better quality than where I just lived. So I'm really happy with it, and I'll turn the camera around and show you what it's like. Alright, so we'll start with the main entrance. So when you come inside, immediately to the left there's a kitchen. Now I really like this kitchen compared to the old one, simply because of the storage. The apartment in Foshan only had lower cupboards, which really wasn't convenient. And also this kitchen is about twice the size because it's got countertops on both sides, well, all the way around basically. So there's still some things here from the previous, either the previous tenant or what the owners left. Nice big fridge, table and chairs, little dining area. I'm super happy this time we've got soft sofas. The wooden bench got a bit annoying after a while at the old place. And most importantly, this apartment has got AC. The old apartment didn't in the living room, which was a nightmare when it gets really hot. So we've got TV. Still not checked anything. I've literally only been here an hour. Got some storage here. I really like the amount of storage in this apartment. It's so good. Bathroom. So this one got a shower. And then opposite is a small bedroom. I'm guessing this was oh no, I guess this was just the spare bedroom. I think the next one was a child's room. Yeah. So looks like there's a child's room here. The wardrobe is huge. It's got a huge wardrobe. Definitely important. And then we've got another bathroom. And this one has got a bath. So that's going to be awesome once we've cleaned it all up. We've got a bed with a big mosquito net. That's going to be useful. I really like this wardrobe. I really like this kind of furniture. So that's cool. Again, more storage. And a balcony. Another good thing with the balcony. Alright, so my phone just ran out of battery, but here we are. This is the main bedroom balcony, and what's really good is that it's got windows all the way around. And then you can probably see through here, there's like a pond or a lake, not sure yet, not sure how big it is. Then if we go back, we've got the main balcony. These are like little, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's like mesh for stopping mosquitoes come in, which is very good. Okay. And again, you can close these, and that's what it looks like. It's only on the second floor, so it's not too high. There is an elevator in this building too. So that's about it. So I just wanted to show you as it is, as I move in, because I'm having all of my belongings shipped here, and it's going to be untidy when all of that arrives. Also, I've got to go and register the local police station, which is why I'm wearing the mask, because I'm so busy. I need to go and do a ton of stuff. I need to go outside, go there, register my information, and yeah, who knows what else I need to do, so we'll see. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and this is what an older apartment looks like